Our founding fathers' obsession with Rome didn't just shape our government. It shaped the male behavioral entitlement that still influences certain men today. Emotional detachment, entitlement, dominance, and the lack of accountability aren't modern traits. They're Roman echoes. And now women are in the first generation able to see the entire structure clearly enough to break it. For generations, women lived inside marriages shaped by a specific behavioral pipeline: entitlement, secrecy, emotional avoidance, peer-validated cheating, and zero accountability. This wasn't malwiring. It was a system that shaped a subset of men across time. The same system that produced past womanizers and today's red pill validated womanizers. Women felt the harm, but they didn't have the language, community, or cultural permission to name it. Today, everything has changed. Women now recognize the pattern. They can see the early signs: the emotional detachment, the manipulation, the secrecy, the refusal to take responsibility, because millions of women have compared experiences, shared stories, and connected across the continents. What used to be isolated suffering is now a collaborative understanding. Women aren't confused anymore. We're informed. And that awareness is one of the biggest reasons divorce rates have surged in the last few decades. Not because women gave up, but because women finally understood what they were living inside. They realized they weren't failing. They were carrying a marriage alone, while their partners operated from entitlement shaped long before the relationship began. Once women recognized the pipeline, they stopped blaming themselves and started choosing self-preservation. The pattern didn't start today, but today, women can see it clearly. And that clarity is why millions of women are walking away from marriages where they were emotionally abandoned, chronically lied to, or treated as the sole adult in the relationship. They are not divorcing men. They're divorcing the system that shapes subsets of men. And here's the historic shift. A large group of men, the ones outside that harmful subset, are finally acknowledging the patterns too. They're saying, we see it. We don't want to be part of it. We want better. That's new. That's important. That's why this movement matters. Women now understand the pattern. Men outside the pattern are listening. And the marriages built on entitlement instead of partnership are collapsing. Not because women are breaking them, but because women are no longer willing to carry them alone. The whole structure sets you up to fail in the first place. There's no other option when you notice that this is what's happening in your marriage, but to throw a big match on it, let it blow up, and walk away. They did this, not us. They blame us for all their wrongdoing, but it's not us. We see through it. It's them. It's the system they decided to buy into. They decided to abuse us with. So now they can go live the rest of their lives out with it, alone.